And this video is for the MAYSENT welder. This is a mini welder, and this thing is so cool because of how small it is, but how much power it packs as well. Plus, it has a carry strap, so you can carry it wherever you want. But just look how big this is. How small it is. It's got venting in the back. You got your power button in the back. Comes with everything you need to get going. And right here on top, it'll show you if you plug it into 240, which is awesome because it has this adapter. So you've got your regular 120 plug-in right here. And then now you can adapt it to 240. So when you plug into 240, you're going to get 200 amps on your power. When you plug into 120, then you're only going to get about 140 amps, which is still plenty of power. Comes with an instruction manual. Comes with a shield, face shield, which you probably don't want to use that. You probably want a full mask. You can have both hands. Comes with a brush, little mini hammer, and then a brush to scrape off. And then comes with your ground and your stick here. So this is a stick welder. This clamp opens really well. You plug it in right here in the front, and I'm actually going to give it some power here just so we can see the gauge or the readout on the front. So we're going to plug that in right here, and we'll go over to the back and flip this on. Okay, just so you can hear the venting going as well. So we're right down here. We're going to keep going down and keep turning that down. And so we're going to see what kind of power we can get here. 98. You can go all the way down as low as you want, but it has the indicator light right here that it's on 120 volts. You can tell that. If you switch it over to 240, then that would come on, the power, and your OC. So here we go. We can turn this all the way up. Let's see what we can get to. And it looks like it's maxing out at 140 for the 120 volts. So if we plug that in to the 240, then yes, of course, we'd be able to bump that power up to 200. But very easy to insert your ground and your stick right here. So then plus and minus, you just push this into the port and turn it. But I mean, you can hear how quiet it is and how lightweight it is as well. So very easy. I'm going to make another video on this and the performance of it as well, but I just wanted to make a quick video and thank MAYSENT for sending this out to review and make a video on. This strap is nice that you're able to just carry it around, and it is really light. It's almost like a 12-pack of soda. That's about the size of what it is. But yeah, this is a great product. Let's just flip it off on the back. But I like that it has a LED readout right here so you know what kind of power you're at and what works for each job that you have. So then we'll just turn this button off in the back. And it probably has a cool down. Yes, it does. Just a little bit of a cool down. But it gives an instruction manual and everything else you need to know. So there you go. Very cool product from MAYSENT. Highly recommend. Definitely pick up one of these if you need to do some welding.